guys, so welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a different video today. I wasn't planning on making a video, but Jen's out for dinner, little man's just gone to bed and I'm a bit hungry because I haven't really eaten. So what I thought was, I'll just show you a quick meal that I do myself, just as a kind of quick and easy, don't have to stress, don't have to take it out of the freezer to defrost or anything like that. I'm going to make myself some Frank's hot sauce wings. Straight from the freezer, the wings. What we do is when we go to Costco, we buy a multi-pack of, I think it's like £6 worth, and I think you get like 25, 30 like double wings in there. So I just bag them individually, put them in the freezer. And the way to cook them, today we're going to use the Ninja 15-in-1. We're going to steam air fry them, which defrosts them and cooks them, and then we're going to coat them in Frank's hot sauce. So what I'm going to do is, this is a very quick little video. It's nothing like our normal videos where we set up and there's microphones and lights. Can't be bothered. I've worked all day, little man's just gone to bed, Jen's out. I just want to eat something nice, to be honest, and I'm fancying some wings. So I thought what I'll show is how I do that, just because it's a nice, quick, easy dinner. So I'm going to get the wings out, I'm going to whack them in, I'm going to leave it, and then we'll coat them. So what I'm going to do is first get the wings out. Okay, right, so here is our freezer. Where are my wings? Ah, there you go. There's a pack. As you can see, we've got quite a few packs in there. Okay, so what I do is when I get these from Costco, I bring them home, I bag them in a way that they'll fit in the Ninja. Okay, right, so it's already crisper pot in there. So what I'm going to do is first get some water ready. Okay, right, so off camera I've just put the wings in the basket, all still frozen. I've got 150 ml of water. Pour that in, and then we whack the crisper basket in. Then we go over to the middle one, combi steam, and we go steam air fry. Let's have a quick look. Steam air fry, 25 minutes, 230. So up that, down, 230, and then start. That's it. So wait for it to preheat. When there's 10 minutes left, you kind of need to give them a shake. But at that point, I'm going to start making the sauce anyway, which is 2 ingredients. So I'll see you in about, well, 15 minutes. Right, okay, so if you can hear me over the Ninja noise, I've got about 30 seconds left before I need to give them a look. They smell lovely, to be honest. It smells great already. So when I was doing the video earlier, I did clock that I set the timer on the Ninja for 20 minutes when it should have been 25. I've been in and corrected it, so we are cooking on the right timings here. So okay, like 10 seconds to go, just flip you around. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, quite hot, I can feel it already. Right, you can't really see very much now, actually I can help you out with that. Torch. Okay, it's starting to crisp up. So this is where you kind of need to give them a bit of a turnover and stuff. Okay, so you can kind of see, it's kind of hard to keep in focus, to be honest. So I'm going to give these a bit of a turnover. Try and unstick them from the bottom where they are sticking. Okay, so as you can see in here, I've got, I'm not sure how many are in there, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 wings. So I'm going to put them in for another 10 minutes and see how they go. But what I have done in the meantime is I've measured out 35 grams of butter, and then I'm going to put in 75 ml of Frank's hot sauce, and we're just going to, the autofocus on this is terrible today. There you go. So the 75 ml of hot sauce, we're just going to warm it up so they melt, and then that's what I'm going to coat the wings in. So I'm going to do that now whilst we've got 10 minutes left of the wings. Okay, right, so I hate doing everything one-handed. So now we're going to put our hot sauce in. So I've got it for grams. Is this in grams or in millilitres? I think millilitres. So it's just the standard Frank's sauce. 140 ml, okay. So I'm going to whack that onto millilitres. The ratio I generally use is 2 parts Frank's hot sauce to 1 part butter. So I've got 35 grams in there, so we'll do 70 ml of this. I don't need to do too much because there's not a massive amount of wings in there, to be honest. So now I've done that, try and do the lid up on that one. Put it on a very low heat, just so it melts. And then once the wings are done, we just coat them in the hot sauce, and then that's dinner time. Okay, so after about a minute, the butter is starting to melt. Okay, so now that's all kind of melted in there, I'm just going to turn that off. That smells lovely. Chicken breast, chicken wings and hot sauce. The audio ain't going to be very good on this one because I know I'm talking into the back of the camera and I haven't got my microphone set on, but I really couldn't be bothered. I've worked all day today, Jen's out, I put little man down, I just fancy something to eat and I thought I'd just take you along for the ride whilst I'm making it. My aim is to record this video, edit it and upload it, so the day you see it would have been tomorrow. So in theory this is my dinner from last night. I've got 3 minutes left on the Ninja. I love the Ninja, but the noise is just ridiculous. So I've been thinking, I was talking with Jen, so we very rarely now use our microwave and our oven because of a Ninja. Our Ninja 15-in-1, we've also got the Ninja dual air fryer as well. How many of you are the same? Because I'm contemplating getting rid of my microwave because we don't use it. The only thing we use it for is microwavable veg, but I'd be happy just going back to doing it on the pan or in a steamer or something because of how much space it takes up. The oven I can't do anything about because that's in there, and to be honest, that's only coming up to Christmas. We'll utilise it then, but nothing else during the week we do it for. So let us know down below if you're in the same situation as we are, and I'll show you in a minute when the wings are done. Okay, finally some silence. The Ninja's just finished. It's been just the 25 minutes. I did flip them at 10 minutes left, so here we are. Let's have a look. Yep, they are perfect. You can't really see them in there, can you? Let me get my phone out again. You can hear that they're cooked. They look amazing. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to transfer them into a bowl and coat them, wait for them to cool down, and we'll give them a try. So let me just get them out and put them in the bowl. I don't want to do that whilst I'm on the camera, I'll burn myself. Right, okay, so here are the wings. They smell amazing. They are really crispy as well. So I hate when they do this on like TikTok videos and stuff, but I want to show you. They smell amazing. To be honest, I'd be happy to eat them like that with some like salt and pepper on or something like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to coat them in sauce. Let's get rid of that. Should have got the handle out. So now, doing this all one-handed, proper professional. I'm going to coat the wings. But before I try them, I'm going to have to get a thumbnail, because otherwise you won't have seen a thumbnail to click to come onto this video. So before we try them, I'm going to give them a nice coating. They smell amazing. Really nice. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm just going to take them out, put them on a plate, take a quick picture, and then once they've cooled down, because I can't eat hot food like this, I'll have to wait for it to cool down, and then we'll do a bit of a taste test. So see you in a minute. Okay, right, so there they are, all coated, smell amazing. As you can see, the steam coming off them still tells me I'm not going to be able to touch those just yet, because I can't eat hot food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them to cool down for 5 minutes or so, and then we'll have a bit of a taste test. Right, okay, so they're now coated. I've let them cool down for a little bit, but I'm starving, so I'm going to man up, and seeing they're hot wings, I might as well eat them when they're hot. I'll get a tea towel. 2 things, I don't like eating hot food, and I don't like getting my fingers messy. So it feels a bit weird standing in the kitchen facing the hob and eating something to eat. Lighting's good though, don't have to get any lights out. So what we're going to do is we'll try this one. That looks like a great hot wing. It feels like the kind of thing you'd get in a restaurant. Pull it apart nicely. That's really good hot wing. I'm not going to stand here and eat them in front of you. But I was thinking as I was making these, you don't have to do hot sauce. Sorry, I'm cleaning my fingers. You could do like honey barbecue. You could do like the salt and pepper from the Chinese with some 5 spice. You could do loads of different sauces. But I mean, you could even buy the Nando's sauces, like the sauces they have in the restaurant, and do those. But like, how easy was that though? Take out the wings, whack them in the air fryer with some water, 25 minutes, turn them over after 10 minutes, job done. You could even just coat them in salt and pepper like that and eat them. They are lovely. We had them the other week like that and they were really nice. That's why I kind of got the idea for this video. So don't forget to comment down below about do you use your microwave and oven as much as you used to now that you have a Ninja? We definitely don't. So thanks very much for watching, guys. This is going to be a different video to all the rest, and I really appreciated you staying this long. Any comments, hints, tips or tricks, please leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next one.